Hi loves, welcome back to the channel Expert Empire. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a scrunchie. This is a very simple and quick DIY that you can make with or without a sewing machine. This scrunchie is super easy to make. It's very comfortable. You can use it to pack your hair into a pony and keep it out of your face. Now to make this scrunchie, I'll be making use of this shiny face satin. You can use any material of your choice, and the length is 25 inches while the width is 5 inches. So what I'll do is to fold it into two like so, right sides facing each other, and then pin it down. Then I'll measure 1 inch at the edges like so. Then I'll take it to the sewing machine and sew from that 1 inch to the other side like this. After I'm done sewing, you can see the opening at the edges. Alright, so next I'll turn it out, and then after turning it out, you can see this is what I have. What I'll do next is to pick one side like so, and then I'll place it on the other side, right sides facing each other. Then I'll go ahead and pin it down, and after doing that, I'll take it to the sewing machine and I'll just stitch it with 1/2 inch like so. So after I'm done stitching it, this is what it looks like. I'll just flip it in like so. You can see how neat it looks. Okay, next I'll be making use of this elastic band, and the length is 7 inches. I'll use safety pin to pass it through like so. Then I'll pin it down so that it will keep that side in place so it doesn't go in, and I'll start all over again. So I'll just keep pushing it in and then bring it out like so. So after that, I'll take off the pin and then also take off the safety pin. Now join it together like so. Take it to the same machine and stitch it down, or you can also tie it if you want. So after stitching it down, I'll flip it in like so. So this opening, to stitch this part, you can do it in two ways. Just tuck it in neatly, take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down, or better still, you use your hand needle to tack it. I prefer the second method, which is tacking it with the needle. So I'll be making use of my needle and thread. Make use of a matching thread. Okay, so what I'll do is to open it a little bit like so. Then with my needle, I'll pick the fabric inwards like so, making sure it does not come out at the other side. So I'll pass the needle like so, and then open it, then pass it through like so. After I'm done with that, I would also pass it inwards through the other side like so, making sure it does not come out at the other edge. Okay, so I'll keep doing this, pass it in this way. All right, and then pass it in the other side, just as if I'm making a zigzag stitch. All right, so I'll pull to secure it in place, and I'll continue the process. Okay, just watch what I'm doing, you understand it better. All right, so I'll keep repeating the same thing, picking the fabric like so, and then make sure it does not come out at the other side. All right, so when I'm done, I'll go ahead and knot. Okay, just tie a knot like so, and then secure it. All right, so when I'm done, I'll cut off the thread, and voila, this is what it looks like. You can see how clean, super clean it is. My stitch is not showing at the sides at all, and you can see how neat it looks. All right, so I'll turn it out like so. You can see how beautiful this scrunchie looks. It is very easy, super easy to make, and quick also. You can make this under about 3 to 5 minutes, and it is very beautiful. You can see it's scrunchy. You can see how it is. You can pack your hair super clean, pack your hair into a pony and keep it off your face. So you can see this material is different from others. I made use of velvet to make this wine color. Okay, I made different colors, and you can see how beautiful they all look. You can make this for your friend as a gift. You can also use it as a business. Okay, you can make this and then sell to make cool cash. Okay, one good thing about this is that you can make this scrunchie with or without a sewing machine, and you don't need much fabrics. You can make use of your leftover fabrics to make this scrunchie, guys. Like I said, you can package this and then sell it to make cool cash, okay, to make cool money. All right, this is very beautiful, guys. You can see how beautiful it looks. Let me know in the comment section which of the colors is your favorite, okay? Is it the peach, the purple, the white, or the wine color? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? And also let me know if you'll be making one for yourself. So with this, we have come to the end of this interesting and easy DIY. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.